welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Hey guys, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you feel like subscribing, okay? Like, that's none of my business. If you don't subscribe, it's none of my business. I am extremely excited because my package is finally here. And it is my birthday gift to myself. It has been a really tough past year and already starting year. I wanted to do something for me. I've been busting my ass. You could ask anyone who knows me. I work my fucking ass off. And I will continue to. But I just wanted to do something special for me, like for my birthday. And I don't know, I noticed like around my birthday, I kind of gravitate towards this brand. Like in the back of my mind, it's like one of my faves. I think it was my 30th or 31st. I don't know. I treated myself to the Eros perfume, and I love that scent. I'm probably gonna get some more. Definitely gonna get the big bottle this time. I had gotten the small bottle for like $50 at Sephora. And so I've just been on this kind of like Versace wave, okay? And my birthday came and I really wanted something. Girl, I was gonna get a whole bag. I said, I'm ready for my bag, my first luxury bag. And I said to myself, slow down, because even though you're working hard and you're saving money and this and that, it doesn't mean you should just like automatically get the bag, because then you have to work even longer and harder. So I said to myself, let me get to my goal first as far as that, then we'll come back to the bag. I could have got the bag. I had to pull myself back. So I say all of that to say there's nothing wrong in treating yourself, but make sure you really analyze it. I mean, there's a lot of things that a lot of us want. I know I really want that freaking bag. I'm not gonna tell you, because then when I finally do get the bag, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I said, what can I settle for that is still, you know, luxury item, but not as crazy? And I really love sunglasses. I want to get my my collection levels up. What better way than to purchase my first luxury glasses for my birthday? And what better brand than Versace? Versace? Versace, Versace, Versace. These are the Versace shades that Biggie Smalls kind of made popular, the Medusa ones. Now, granted, they're not exactly the same like the ones he used to wear back in the day, up in the videos, and you know what I'm saying? They kind of revamped it, but I like it. I love it. I know I'm going to love it, because just seeing that Medusa head right there, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm protected. Honey, I'm going to be, Donatella's protecting me, okay? From all that other shade. I have my own shades. Thanks. Shade blocker. I was like, okay, if I'm going to go with the shades, if I'm going to go with my first pair of Versace's, they shouldn't be ones that are like so dainty to the point where you can't tell that they're freaking Versace, you know. So I wanted to get something bold, and of course I wanted to get it in my favorite color. So I'm going to stop rambling on now, because I've been talking too much, and I'm gonna unbox my shades with you. They're right here. Ordered it from Sunglass Hut, and let me tell you something, Sunglass Hut, phenomenal. Like, I ordered it and it was basically here in 2 days, but the UPS guy decided to leave a sticker on my door instead of knocking on it. So I missed the delivery, even though I was waiting for it all day. Didn't hear him at my door because he didn't knock. And I had to wait till the next day to actually get my package. So we're gonna actually, so you can see, like, I'm unboxing it with you guys. And I'm actually gonna turn it around so you can see it the other way. But this is the box. I'm hiding that so you can't see the color yet. Oh, what's this? I think there's a card in here. Oh, this is just a card. Yeah, this is just my Sunglass, oops. This is my Sunglass Hut receipt. Gotta take my little thumbnail. Hold on. Okay, so I moved the camera a little bit closer because I wanted to try to film it the other way and actually show you me opening up from like up top, but my equipment doesn't allow me to do that. It doesn't, like, whatever. Girl. I'm just here holding my glasses. I'm about to freak out. I am so grateful for these. We're gonna take those out very carefully. Okay, and inside the box we have a Versace dust cloth for the glasses. Very nice with the emblem on it. I'm actually gonna take this out like a little kerchief. Oh, very nice. See, so you can see the whole, it's like a little flag. That's the other part. The other part is kind of like soft, of course, and then you have the, oh, darling, you can't tell me nothing. Ew, it's the time for dinner. These things that we never read, of course. Little manual of how to care for them. We don't care about this. A little Versace pamphlet in here. It's a nice little pamphlet. Inside, I guess, what is this? Oh, just about their eyewear collection. Certificate of warranty, stuff like that. And probably a little bit of the history too. Oh. I have my card in here. Behind this are the numbers of my actual glasses, the date I purchased them in the store, so I can carry that around with me. So really cute. And now, world premiere. I do that so good. So automatically, like, the case is really durable, and like if I drop it, oh my god. It's pretty durable, so I like that. It probably could get like scratches and stuff after a while, especially if you carry it all the time, but it's just the case. I'm about to flip out. Like, this is probably the longest unboxing sunglasses video ever. Wait, before I do that though, it's ridiculous. Okay, wait. Just so you know the actual style, VE4361. That is the model number. Okay, here we go. I don't want them to fall anymore. Oh my god, y'all! Stop it. Oh my god, stop it. These are actually pretty thick. So they have plastic on the back. Ooh, these are, I mean, for plastic or whatever the hell it is, it's really pretty heavy. Oh my god, I love them. This is the front. You see my recording, but this is the front. And then here is the side detail. Come on, focus. Focus for me, darling. In the greens, y'all. In the greens. I'm not even ready to put these on yet. Super nice. I like that they're kind of like this type of frame. Oh, that's dust, honey. So there's a little like black remnants from the case. I don't know if you can see it. It's like on the corner right there. So we're just gonna, yeah, because these are, okay, I was like, is that a part of the, okay, yeah, so I can see it could get quite dusty. That's remnants from the box. These are gorgeous. It's bulky. All right, let's try them on. Let me try them on for you. Darling, what? Bitch, what? I can't hear you. Gina, give me one more chance. Gina, give me one more chance. Yeah, okay. Gina, give me one more chance. These are definitely 90s vibes. Like, I feel like, especially in the greens. Like, green is my favorite color. If you did not know, now you don't know. Now you know. I was talking to my friend and I was telling her, and she was like, girl, you're not gonna get the black? And I was just like, look, I already got some my face makeup on it. No, we don't want that. She was like, girl, you're not gonna get the black because, you know, the black can go with a lot of things. And I was really contemplating on getting the black, but my heart went with green. Green is the heart chakra, and that's my favorite color. And although I may not be able to match a lot of things with it, it meant something special to me, being it being my first Versace sunglass purchase, to get something that kind of has me all over it, you know? I can get black anytime. So that's kind of like why I went for these. So these retail for $303, and I got them a few days after my birthday. The tax was $18. So altogether it came up to like $320, $321, and the shipping was free. And it did get here in 2 days, but like I said, complications with picking it up. Wonk wonk. But they're here. I got them in my hand. I can't believe them. Like, I give you a little twirl. I don't know how to like show them off so like you can really like see them, but it's really gorgeous. I really love them. Honestly, I would get these in every color. I would get these, like, these are so, oh my God, Kim. Oh my God, Courtney, you look like you've gained about 2 pounds. 2 pounds too much. Yeah, girl. So these are definitely something I can already tell just by looking at them and putting them on. They gravitate to whatever is on your face. Like I said, there was dust inside the box. So especially with like the green color, like if you're wearing makeup and stuff like that, the kerchief is definitely something you need. I did not buy the spray that comes with it. I'll probably end up going to the Sunglass Hut store at my local mall and actually getting like, you know, the little care spray thing that goes with it. But oh, I forgot. I didn't even notice the Versace sticker. I would actually keep that shit on there for real. No, I'm not. Let me know down below what you think of them. Remember, like, you can treat yourself to things. Start off small, and then you build up from there. And you get it when you can, and you put money aside for it. You know what I'm saying? Put 20 bucks here. You know, 300 is a good amount of money, but it's not a lot of money where you couldn't touch it. You know what I'm saying? You couldn't like get to that and get it. Like I'm not rich by any means, but I'm telling you one thing. You ain't gonna tell me shit with these on. You ain't telling me shit, bitch. Because I'm gonna carry myself that way. It's about attitude. It's about attitude. And there's nothing wrong with treating yourself to something you know you deserve, you know? And then keep grinding. And then keep being humble. And then help other people that you know are deserving. That's it. That's how we rock around here. That's how we doing it. But anyways, I hope you like this little ghetto unboxing. You know what I'm saying? Like, now I'm in, like, I'm probably finna wear these all day. We definitely finna take pictures. We finna take pictures because this is for my birthday. I can't see the shade being thrown because I got the Versace shades on. You know what I'm saying? You can't see shade with shade. Like, I stay shaded, your shade stays away from me. Like, that's how we roll. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
You ain't got the answers. You ain't got the answers, Sway. I've been doing this more than you. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. Go fuck what you say. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay.